is that? I mean, how does that square up with being a nation of laws?
Well,
We got to keep the law.
unless they are caught in the act, you have to prove that they did it.
Well, they ain't got no paperwork.
Well, that would be proof.
Right. Okay.
The problem with Kilmar is
Right.
he has his paperwork. The other problem is if he wasn't in good standing, he wouldn't have his paperwork.
Well, here's the
So
thing.
so they made this into a witch hunt. Oh, he has tattoos. He's Latin. Blah blah blah.
That ain't what I heard.
What did you?
want to know what I heard?
I want to know what you
I
heard.
heard that he actually had a deportation order by another judge that wasn't enforced, and he like still in the country because of a domestic violence case that he was convicted of with his wife now. So not only is he an accused MS-13 member, that he got pulled over by some police officers a couple years back, and he had some quote unquote illegals with him, and they let him go. But they said the officer it looked like he was probably like trafficking or like moving people, being a mule. But they didn't say nothing. They didn't let it go. But that was in the record. But he actually was convicted. His wife brought charges on him, called the police on him, and probably regretted it later for him jumping on her. And he had a deportation order that was never followed through. So, yes, he was a legal resident, but they told him to go back to El Salvador because he wasn't in good standing.
Hold up. I first of all, I ain't heard about the domestic violence